Oh!
Hello, builders. Today we're building a strong and powerful bulldozer. Are you ready to bring this giant machine to life? Then let's start building. Today we're building a big, powerful bulldozer in our workshop. We attach the cabin, the driver's seat, and controls. With the fuel tank, it will have the energy to work all day long. These help the bulldozer move on rough ground without getting stuck. Now it's time for the hydraulic arms and the bucket in front. We need the strong chassis, the frame that holds our machine together. This is the part that scoops sand, soil, or gravel with power. Awesome! The bulldozer is ready. Before we start, let's fill the tank with fuel. Glug, glug! Glug, glug! Machines need energy, just like we need food. Glug, glug, and full, ready to roll.
Ready to take on the challenge!
It helps build roads, clear land for houses, and even prepare playgrounds. Wow! This bulldozer is tough, smart, and ready for any heavy work. Oh no, our bulldozer is covered in dirt. Let's wash it. Lots of bubbles and a big scrub. Soap, scrub, and rinse until it's shiny again. Here comes the water. Splash! Splash water, shiny and clean again. Perfect. All clean and ready for work again.